Hey there, welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you a potentially highly profitable niche that I recently found out about. In fact, it's so profitable that this one book is making $1,457 per month. And what niche am I talking about? Well, that is the vision board niche. So today, I'm going to show you what's possible if you wanted to produce a book for this niche, and make sure to stick around to the end of the video for a nice surprise. But before that, hey guys, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. And right now we're talking about low and medium content publishing on Amazon KDP. So if this sounds interesting to you, feel free to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get started. So the first thing that I did was I just did a simple search for a vision board book, and here are the results. So as you can see, there's a bunch of books about vision boards, and what I wanted to find out was if these books were independently published. And as you can see with these boxes on top, so for example, this one is. And so I started to see a pattern where there was a lot of books that were independently published. And then I wanted to look at their BSRs or their bestsellers rank. So for example, this 2024 Vision Board clip art book, as you can see, has an 8,000 BSR rank, which is actually very, very low. And if you're not familiar with vision board books, well, let's go into this one right here and let's go and read the sample. It's just a bunch of clip art or pictures for someone that wanted to create a vision board where you can put your dreams or your goals for the year. And so it would include lots of clip art, lots of pictures, lots of quotes, lots of sayings, and things that would motivate someone to achieve their dreams. That's basically what a vision board is. If we go back up, we can see that I have this plugin right here, this extension. If you go ahead and go to the Chrome Web Store and type in Self-Publishing Titans, these are the two that I use. They're Amazon KDP Keyword Research Tool as well as the Quick View. And so when you download that, you get this bar up here. So with this extension, they make it easy to evaluate a certain niche. So they give it a score. So for example, this one's 77, and they recommend any score of 60 and higher. So as you can see, total results here says 3,052. If you go down here on Amazon, it says over 3,000 results. So Amazon says over 3,000 results. Titans Quick View tells you the exact number of results. It gives you the exact match of your keyword and what kind of products are showing up as an exact match. Independently published books on the first page, there's quite a lot. The average bestsellers rank, the highs and the low, the reviews, the price, and all that good stuff, which you do need if you want to evaluate a certain keyword or a niche properly. Now, if we just keep scrolling down and start looking at some more of these books, we can see that they're all very similar. It's just a bunch of pictures, a bunch of inspirational, motivational, success pictures or beach pictures or workout pictures. We can see that this one right here has a BSR of 14,000. This one right here has a BSR of 6,000. This vision board book has a BSR of 13,000. And as you can see, judging from the BSRs, a lot of these books are doing really well. If we go ahead and take this book, for example, so if we scroll down, we can see that it has a 6,698 bestsellers rank. And we go ahead and grab this and go to a website like Bookbird, which has an Amazon KDP book sales calculator, and plug in all of the details of that book, which I've already done. We can see that this book is making $2,135 per month. And I don't know about you, but $2,000 off of one book per month is a substantial amount, especially because you can make quite literally hundreds and hundreds of books on Amazon KDP. So let's go ahead and try to see if there are any similarities with these books. So I've seen books where, for example, this Lady Boss vision board book, I've seen Money in Business vision board books, vision board clip art book for men, a pink version. I've seen workout vision boards. And so I can see the potential with this niche because you can make lots of different types of vision boards depending on what someone wants to accomplish. So let's go ahead and go into this book. So as we can see, it's a Money in Business vision board clip art book. And if we look at the cover, we can see that There's jets, there's gold, financial independence, a piggy bank, pictures of people having success. So sometimes, like with this book, when I went and read the sample, it doesn't have any pictures of what is actually in the book, as you can see here. I mean, there are some stuff in the back, but sometimes if they have enough reviews or ratings, you can go inside here, and sometimes people take pictures. And so if we go ahead and look at this one, you can see it says all in one vision board. So from this book, you can see the type of pictures that it has. There's a check here. There's some sayings, some stickers. We have a jet right here, the inside of a jet. We have a mansion, some money, some more money, financial independence. So these are the type of pictures that basically make up the book. So the next part is we want to do more keyword research to see if, in fact, this is a niche worth going into, even though we have a feeling that it is. So in order to do that, we want to do some more keyword research. And if you haven't watched my video on keyword research yet, go ahead and click somewhere around this video. I'll put a link up so that you can go ahead and watch it. But basically what we want to do is we want to take our keyword. So for example, for us, our keyword is vision board. And the most manual way to do it is to start like this, vision board. And as you can see, if you had this Titans Pro, you can go ahead and download all these suggestions. So that's one way to do it. And then what you do, or what I do, is I'll press space and I'll go through the alphabet. So A, and then more will come up. I'll go ahead and go through the list and choose the ones that apply to the type of book that I want to make. We have B right here. As you can see, there's more keywords, and you just keep going through the alphabet. Now, once you have a list of keywords, what you want to do is you want to evaluate it. And how I go about evaluating keywords is by the search results. This one is, are there 3 books that we're competing with that are all under 300,000 BSR or bestsellers rank? Keep note of the average bestsellers ranks of the first page. And then the niche score, which this is the score that we see over here from Titans Quick View. So I do this with every single keyword. For example, this vision board note has a search result of 2,000. Yes, there are 3 books that I'm going to compete with that are 300,000 BSR, and then the niche score is 53. And then I go through the entire list of the keywords that I've collected. Now, another tool that I use to get some more keywords is called Publisher Rocket. And basically it allows you to, for example, do a keyword search here. So if we do vision board, and then click on Go Get 'em Rocket, you can see that it comes up with a list of keywords for vision board. And it gives you average pages, number of competitors, average price, monthly earnings, estimated Amazon searches per month, and then as well as a competitive score. So all you have to do is click this magnifying glass and it'll start doing the work for you. So as you can see, you can come up with some more keywords that are not initially on your list. Like for example, this one, vision board book for parents. We can see that the average book has 43 pages. There's 382 competitors for this specific keyword. The average price for the book is $9, and the average monthly earnings is $8,561 per month. And as you can see, this is the estimated Amazon searches per month of 4,941. And with Publisher Rocket, if it's green, that means it's good. And then this is the competition or the competitive score. So potentially this keyword could be a good keyword to get into. And this is what I love about Publisher Rocket, because there are some keywords here that actually don't show up on the Amazon search. And so I do like to search here just to see what Publisher Rocket has and to add to my ever-growing list of keywords. Now, if you want to get Publisher Rocket for yourself, I'll leave a link down below so you can go and check it out. So here we are on Canva, and as you can see, it's pretty simple to start making these pages. And really, I just got these from the templates that Canva already provides. So all I did was I went to design, and then I did a search for vision board stickers, and I found these templates. And what you could do is you could just change out the pictures. You can find clip art, graphics, stickers, anything that you want to go and put into here. But basically you get the idea, where you can add pictures here where people can cut them out and put them on their vision boards. Same with this. This is where they can write in their wealth goals, their career goals, etc., cut it out and put it on their vision board. And then this is like a design that could inspire you to make your own cover. So as you can see, this is a very simple book to make, and with a little time and effort, you could have one up on KDP in no time. Now, since you made it to the end of the video, I want to go ahead and help you out by giving you the list of keywords that I went ahead and evaluated for this niche. These are 76 vision board targeted keywords, which includes the Amazon search results, the average BSR first page, and the niche keyword score. So if you want to, go ahead and visit my Gumroad shop. The link is down below, and make a book for yourself. With that being said, that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, please give me a big thumbs up. It truly helps me create more content like this. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads. I post multiple videos every week, and I'd love to have you come back. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.